Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by locking in the essentials: stance, balance, and core engagement. Plant your feet shoulder width, position the ball for mid-iron, and set weight evenly, about 50/50, while tilting a touch toward your lead side, roughly 5 degrees. Make sure your knees are flexed and your core is braced so the body moves as a unit. Once that foundation is steady, take a practice half swing to feel balance. Keep grip pressure light, around 4 out of 10, so your arms can hinge without pulling. Now develop a controlled turn without swaying. Rotate your shoulders roughly 90 degrees on the backswing while allowing your hips to turn about 30 degrees. Keep the spine angle steady. Think of rotating around your spine rather than sliding laterally. Make sure your lead knee maintains flex and resists moving toward the target so your weight stays on the inside of your lead foot. Once the top feels coiled, pause and sense stored energy in the trail hip. This setup lets you unwind down the line without losing balance. Finish by initiating the downswing with your lower body. Shift roughly 20% of weight to the lead foot while rotating the hips toward the target, then let the torso and arms follow. Keep your head steady and maintain the spine tilt through impact, briefly holding your eyes on the target zone to prevent a forward collapse. Make sure the impact position is balanced on the inside of your lead foot. If you feel a sway, shorten your backswing and use step-in drills to groove the correct sequence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.